Welcome to Electude's Engine Management Simulator with over 50 customizable fault scenarios. The simulator is designed to develop diagnostic skill through the use of realistic virtual tools, including instrument panel, multimeter, oscilloscope, diagnostic system, breakout box, fuel pressure gauge, jump starter, interactive wiring diagram, work order, invoice, and video tutorials to help the student along. In this fault scenario, the engine runs poorly and the check engine light is on. We can begin by opening the diagnostic system and checking for fault codes. Here we have a number 1 misfire detected. We will now test number 1 injector using an oscilloscope. By the pattern, we can see that the injector has high resistance and needs to be replaced. To replace a faulty part, click on the electrical connector, then drag the part to the bottom. Click on the part and click Replace this part. A new part will appear. Drag the new part into place and refasten the connector. To verify the repair, we'll reconnect the lab scope and start the engine. The check engine light is now off. The engine runs smoothly and the injector pattern is normal. To finish up, we'll clear diagnostic fault codes, put away the tools, and fill out the work order. From the teacher login, student performance can be reviewed, including the work order write-up, invoice, and log file of work performed.